superstars. It is time for math. We are on lesson 6-8, problem solving. We are going to learn to model with math. Let's go to our worksheet. Daniel sees a group of 3 fluffy white clouds in the sky. Marta sees 1 gray cloud. How many clouds do they see in all? Draw a picture to show what's happening and then write the equation to tell how many clouds there are in all. So what do we know about the clouds that Daniel and Marta see? We know that Daniel sees a group of 3 fluffy white clouds. So let's draw 3 fluffy white clouds on our paper. I'm going to draw with white. Let's see if you can see it. Here's 1, 2, and he said he saw 3. So there are 3 fluffy white clouds that Daniel saw. Now, how many clouds did Marta see? She saw a group of 1 gray cloud. So I'm going to draw that cloud right here. Now, we are going to write an equation to show the groups of clouds. So Daniel saw 3 fluffy white clouds. Let's put 3 down here. And Marta saw 1 gray cloud. So 3 plus 1 equals, now remember, we know that there are 3 clouds here. Daniel saw 3 clouds. So we're going to start from 3 and we will count on 4. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. And that is our equation. Let's go to the next page. All right, let's watch this video as it explains the next problem.
You can draw a picture to help solve a problem.
What do you see? There are 2 empty fish bowls. Danny sees 3 fish in one bowl and 3 fish in another bowl. How many fish did he see in all? What are you trying to find out?
So what are we trying to find out? Daniel sees 3 fish in each fish bowl. So we're trying to find out how many fish there are in all.
You are trying to find out how many fish Danny sees in all. You can draw a picture to show the problem. Danny draws 3 fish in each bowl. What number should he write above the first fish bowl to show how many fish? He should write the number 3. What number should he write above the second fish bowl to show how many fish?
How many fish are in the second fish bowl? Count them and let's see if you're correct.
He should write the number 3. What symbol should Danny write to match the story? He should write a plus sign. How can you use the picture Danny drew to show how many fish? Count the 2 groups together to find out that he sees 6 fish in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right, can you count those fish and make sure they're correct? Remember to point to each fish as you're counting, and there should be 6 fish in all.
Danny adds an equal sign so he can use an equation to solve the problem. What number should Danny write after the equal sign?
Okay, so 3 plus 3 equals what? We're going to add those two numbers together. So let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3 equals 6.
He should write the number 6. Why should he write the number 6? 3 and 3 is 6. There are 6 fish in all. How can you use the picture to check Danny's answer? You can count to see that Danny's drawing matches the story, and then count to see that he has the right equation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you know how to model adding numbers together by drawing, counting, or writing equations.
All right, good job. Let's go to the bottom of that page and let's do some work together. We're at our guided practice. I want you to listen and then you are going to fill in. So they already have the fish drawn, but I want you to listen to the story. Okay, Daniel sees 2 fish in one bowl and 2 fish in another bowl. How many fish does he see in all? So you're going to first draw your fish, and then you are going to write an equation so that we can see the answer. So he sees 2 fish. You can trace them. You don't have to draw a fish. You can trace them, and you can just draw a circle if you would like to represent 2 fish in that bowl, 2 fish over here. So now we're going to write an equation to solve. We have 2 fish, that's one group in the first bowl, plus another 2 fish in the second group. 2 plus 2 equals what? You're going to count both sets of fish. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. All right, let's continue. All right, we're at our independent practice. We're at number 2. Let's do the second one together, and then you can continue on your own. So what you're going to do is you're going to listen to each story and then draw a picture to model what is happening. And then you will write an equation that will explain the answer. So for number 2, it says, Julie sees 5 stones in one pail and 3 stones in another pail. How many stones does she see in all? So let's first draw our picture. How many stones does Julie see in the first pail? 5. So we are going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stones. And in the second pail, how many stones did she see? 3. So let's draw a group of 3. 1, 2, 3. So now we are going to explain this in an equation. We have 5 stones in our first pail plus 3 stones in the second pail. So 5 plus 3 equals what? We need to count. So we know there's 5 over here. So let's say 5, 6, 7, 8. And we will write 8. So our equation is 5 plus 3 equals 8. I want you to continue on your own, and I'm sure you're going to do a great job. Make sure your name and date is on your paper. And until next time, superstars, have a wonderful day. Bye.